Alright. Godson 23, Godson 45. I got a pickup today. I got me and my son these shoes. But right now I'm only doing a review on my son's shoes because I mean everybody been doing reviews on the other shoes, the dog size shoe already. I might do a video later, but I don't know. It depends on if I see more videos or not. But here goes. I'm gonna get into the shoe for him. Get y'all see the tag. There you go, the tag, and then the official color is light graphite and white wolf gray. So we're doing this. Alright, here go. The shoe is wolf gray, and I mean the only thing that they really downgraded on these shoes from the Docs or the air unit and the sole. The sole is an all-white sole with a gray Jumpman. The dog sole is all icy, all clear sole with a blue tint and a gray Jumpman, wool gray Jumpman. Let's see. This has the graphite wolf gray shadow, and with the white drop shadow. The neck, clear neck with wolf gray background. The material, I mean, it's still the same material. The short hair, nubuck suede type material. Right here, it has a 3M tongue, which is, I mean, that's legit on the kids shoe. All white interior, white Jumpman on the inside with a gray insole. So, I mean, I paid $40 for these shoes, so I say it's a pretty good shoe. I don't have no complaints with this shoe. Even got the speckles of paint on the flame. So, I mean, it's all, to me, it's a good shoe for kids, man. It's a good shoe, or maybe I just got a good pair. But I don't see anything wrong with these shoes. I might do a review later on my shoes, but we'll see how that goes. But it's Godson 23, Godson 45. My review was for the kids wolf gray graphite 5s. Peace.